Hello guys, my name is Ankit Srivastav, your host for this amazing digital platform named Know Your Entrepreneurs. Here we get all the budding enthusiastic entrepreneurs to speak about with their journey about entrepreneurship, how they have put their values in different aspects of society and to the people with whom they are associated with. Because eventually, in the end, it's the journey that matters. The destination is target, but how they have reached to that destination is the journey that is eventually counted. Today, I would like to welcome Ms. Meena Jagtap from First Step. She is indeed a supermom and a super entrepreneur and also a certified nutritionist and has started a campaign. It's a very unique and nice campaign. It's better to fight with Corona rather to run away with it. So that she's a campaign. She's going to explain her in details what it is are about. She's going to share her amazing entrepreneurship journey with us. So hello Meena, thanks a lot for coming on our platform. Why just you don't introduce yourself as what you do, what's your business and other all important things.
Yeah. Hi everybody. Myself Meena Jagtap. I am nutritionist. I have started my career in pharmaceutical, right from pharmaceutical more than 25 years. I am a certified diploma in pharmacist also. I have first completed my pharmacy. I have a experience, huge experience of 25 years. I have started working with pharmaceutical first. More than 10 to 15 years I was in pharmaceutical. I am attached with many hospitals and I have my own clinic. In Mulund West, I have one of my clinic. Thana, I have my two clinics. And I am a clinical nutritionist also, and I am a sport nutritionist also. So as everybody is, fearing because of the COVID, but instead of fearing, what I can suggest, don't fear, just start to fight with it. And if you follow a very simple things, as already you are getting lot many instruction on the phone calls, lot many instruction on the WhatsApp group. You have to be very hygienic, you have to take care of your cleanness and all that. Along with that, you have to improve your immunity also. But इम्यूनिटी कैसे बढ़ेगी, वो एक दिन में तो नहीं बढ़ सकती है ना. You have to take care of immunity and you have to take care of your diet each and every day. So in that campaign, we will surely give you tips how to improve the immunity. What are the things you can add in your diet, as well as, because of this continuously quarantine, the society get quarantine, the area get quarantine, it's very difficult to get many things in the market. So in that campaign, I will surely give you some tips and I will surely give you some recipe which you can easily make it in your home, as well as you can improve the immunity. So be in touch with us and we will surely give tips in our campaign. Thank you so much.
And I believe that was your fight with Corona campaign. आप उसी पे you are working actively with all the majority of your colleagues also, and online
Yes,
काफी
Ankit.
sessions आप ले रहे होगे, correct?
Yeah, Ankit.
Yeah. So nice. So it is very informative to help us understand what basic things needs to be done. Obviously, लोग सुनते तो बहुत है करता. There are many few people who follow this thing and rigorously उनसे करवाना, that itself is a challenge, and like to compliment you for that. So let's start with the basic things of the know your entrepreneur part, which is very important in for our to know you better as an entrepreneur. The first question is what's your motivation? I mean, what's your why for business? It's a very normal question. It has been asked by various people, but what's your why for business?
Ankit, as I've rightly told you, I am in this field right from 25 years. But before coming in this field, what I have observed, people, they are having many problems and they really want to get rid out of it. Correct. But what is the main problem and what is the main cause that they don't know? The main cause is the obesity. And because of this obesity, they always ignore the obesity. But they don't know this is the main root cause of the many problems. Correct. What problem they can suffer, they can get a very vulnerable disease like hypertension, diabetes. Correct. In female, if you see, it could lead to the PCOD, PCOS. Many females, they have a problem not to get a conceive. As well as, the main problem with this obesity is what I am observing. People, they are losing their confidence, and they get some psychological disorder also, because they are not confident, they are not able to get socialized, and the root cause is obesity. So I can surely help the people to get rid out of this problem. So that is what is my why. I really want to help. I want to make the people very confident.
Okay. So now coming to the next question is I have understood your why. That is very detailedly explained. It's your the root cause ko explain karna in detail. That is a very nice why. And now the second question is, what in this work specifically you work with various people, and like people are various, हर आदमी का एक अलग psychology होता है. So what in this work gives you a feeling of accomplishment or kick? Like होता है ना कि there's some trigger point कि हाँ ये करने से मुझे I get the kick on my business part. Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, the kick point I can say, as I've told you, I'm working in this field from 25 years. But when I got many patients, some of them, they were suffering with hypertension, diabetes, and the main solution is only a diet, because these people, they cannot really do the hard workout.
Correct.
So when I have handled these patients and they got a very good result only with the diet, I have some of the cancer patients. They have, because of the improvement of the diet, they could able to fight with the cancer. I have many success story. When female patients especially comes to me, they were having problem like to get conceived, PCOD, PCOS problem. And after completion of my 1.5 years of diet program, they successfully got their delivery. I have many patients after delivery. Put on weight is the common symptom, you can say, right, Ankit?
Right.
But after delivery also, I could able to manage their diet. Along with that, managing the diet, they could able to lose the weight. And really, it has given me, you can say, it's a achievement of my
figure hai, matlab basically aapka, yeah. So, and you seeing
and
that
the last
success
point,
story. Yeah,
the last point we never forget. When patients come to me, they were very fear, and they were not confident. They were very disturbed psychologically, and I have really helped them to get back their confidence. And because of that, really, I am very happy with my work, because when the obese patients comes to you, what you need to support them. They want your support. They don't want your sympathy. And really, I give them a support, and that is the, you can say, happiness. That is my achievement in my.
And that's your kick eventually. Say very, very nice, very nice. So now almost 25 years, you have seen various things, but kuch to you might have feel in this journey there must have been various barriers that you must have faced. Ki ये problem हुआ था starting में, people were not accepting you. That can be a very big challenge. So as per your experience, what was your biggest barrier that you faced in your entrepreneur journey?
Say every entrepreneur, when they enter in the field, they have one or the another problem. Similarly, as being a housewife, I were carrying many of my duties. Like I have my daughter to take care of her study, to take care of my family first. And along with family duties, I was working and I was taking care of my clinic as well as my fitness studio.
Okay.
But slowly, it has got some result. I could able to manage my timing. The timing was the main issue. And of course, rightly you said, to get a leads from the field, it is very difficult.
Yeah.
But when I've started getting result, people themselves, they have started to talking about my diet and my result. And really I got a very good succeed in this field.
Nice. So you're like all the barriers, like leads was obviously the one, and obviously your family, like sabke challenges hote hain.
Yeah, the family is first. We have to take care of our family. Right. And as being a nutritionist, my first motto is to take care of my family. and to take care of my health, to take care of the family health.
Correct. Very, very nice, Meena. So coming to the next question. At this
Yeah.
point, what is required to reach your business aspiration? Yeah, I have a goal to set. Like many people have various kind of goals. So what is your goal that you have set? What is your business aspiration?
Yeah. See, Ankit, I want to reach with the many people, and for that reach, what I want, I need a lot many social connections. That could be a best platform for me. Along with this social connection and social platform, what is my motto? To deal with the many people with the good guide counseling, as well as to take lot many awareness lectures, as well as to guide them properly. As well as I would like a newspaper article could be a very good best platform for me.
Okay.
So I am surely working on it.
Yeah. And we also try to promote you across different platforms. That's
Yes.
the beauty of Know Your Entrepreneur. That it's a small word, but digital can make you anywhere, reach out to you anywhere. Today we have interviewed example a lady from UK. So this you're probably entering in the blog of the entire international forum also. So yeah, that is what the main thought is. Now the next question to you, Meena, is how has this venture changed you? So did you become a better human being? Like everybody changes, right? Change is a very constant part. Like, but generally बोलते हैं ना ऐसा कि if in case आप एक business कर लो, then you tend to learn things very faster because में सब like everything is dependent on us. So what is the change that you have felt in yourself basically?
Coming to this question, yes, my business has changed me a lot. But right from beginning, I'm a very good human being.
Okay.
How this business has changed me? In business, you get many people. It is depend upon you to whom you have to trust and to whom you don't have to trust. तो मुझे भी सेम एक्सपीरियंस मिला कि किसके ऊपर कितना ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए. आई कैन नॉट से कि ट्रस्ट करना ही नहीं चाहिए, बट ऑफ कोर्स ऑन सम लेवल यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट द पीपल.
Correct.
तो ये सीखने को मिला, एंड हाउ टू जज द पीपल. That is a good experience, you can say.
Yeah. And judging, अगर आपने judging सीख लिया तो you more like 70% there because judging से ही result आता है eventually. Yes. And that's what is the parameter. So nice, Meena. Coming to the last question is very important because of late we all have seen like many people they want to enter in the field of entrepreneurship and all. So what's your message to all the budding entrepreneurs जो अभी hardly 1 साल 2 साल पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? They can be anybody. So what's your message to them?
Yeah, I can say my message in a very simple word. Quitter never wins and winner never quits. Though you will get many struggle, many problems. अगर एंटरप्रेनर हो तो आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आने ही वाली है. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आते तो समझ लेना कि आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो, और अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम्स आई तो समझ लेना कि आप सक्सेसफुल हो. सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल मैसेज. डोंट क्विट अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू विन.
Correct. And that's a very brave message because yeah, failure is a part of entrepreneurship. अगर जिसने failure को accept नहीं कर सका, probably he'll not be able to grow maximum. And that's what is entrepreneurship all about. And hence, we call people like you to explain. You see, big people are any which ways talking, but people like us, the normal entrepreneurs, they are also trying to do something for the society. Like you said, अगर कोई बंदा स्टार्टअप होगा ना, so he'll not listen to a Tata because he'll know वो तो पहुंच गया है उस लेवल पे, but probably he might listen to you and he get energized कि हाँ मुझे like see Meena has told me something, so let me portray and try to. And hence that's we eventually say it's all about the journey. The journey it inspires the people. Destination तो ठीक है पहुंच जाते हैं सब, but the journey is important. So thank you, Meena. That's what a very, very wonderful question and answer session. We as a Know Your Entrepreneur team will try our best possible way to, promote your message to different aspects, especially about the COVID part. That would be, since you are doing so much things about the COVID, our team will personally try to spread the information in all possible way. And I would like to thank you for coming and accepting our invitation, coming on our portal. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Meena.
Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you so much.